Welcome to our channel. If you need health insurance through Medicaid, follow these step-by-step instructions to apply and get approved as quickly as possible. Step 1. Check if you qualify for Medicaid in your state. Eligibility is based on income, household size, age, pregnancy status, and disability. Most states expanded Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act. Step 2. Gather required documents before starting your application. You'll need proof of identity, social security number, income verification, citizenship or immigration status, and state residency documents. Step 3. Apply through your state's Medicaid website, Healthcare.gov, or visit your local Department of Social Services. You can also apply by phone or mail in most states. Step 4. Complete the application accurately and completely. Provide detailed information about your household income, assets, family composition, and any current health insurance coverage. Step 5. Submit all supporting documentation with your application. Upload or mail copies of pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, identification, and other requested materials immediately. Step 6. Respond quickly to any requests for additional information. States typically have 45 days to process applications, but incomplete submissions cause delays. Step 7. Check your application status regularly online or by phone. Follow up if you haven't received a response within the standard processing timeframe. Step 8. Once approved, select a managed care plan if your state requires it. You'll receive your Medicaid card in the mail and can immediately begin accessing healthcare services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.